这件工作是企业的命，每一道工作的质量必须要保证好。
Nurnisa Yasen from Hotan, Xinjiang is a quality inspector in a textile factory. She is known for her rigorous standards. Newcomers, often puzzled by her exacting standards, sometimes voice their grievances.
这段时间赶工期，就是着急，出现毛病比较多。
When difficulties arise, Nurnisa confides in Mrs. Dong. Mrs. Dong is one of the first employees who came from Beijing to help establish the factory in Hotan. She has witnessed Nurnisa's growth and always encourages her to persevere. To ensure the timely delivery of emergency supplies, Nurnisa frequently works overtime. She also devotes her free time to studying corporate management. Ultimately, through hard work, Nurnisa and her team successfully met their production goals with quality and quantity assured.
这段时间的辛苦，我觉得值了。装上车，车开走的那一刻，我心里就感觉特别欣慰、兴奋。